Thought I'd shoot a video just a few days before the concrete gets poured of a backyard project here in Woodland Hills. This is where the ramp is going to be. Well, it's already there, just no concrete yet. Here's a new electrical coming from an old conduit that we were able to reuse all the way to the garage sub-panel, which is great. Here's the walkway outside the family room. Here's the grid area, which we angled because there's no way to make a right angle to both the pool and the house. So this is the design solution there. There's the new Aqualink pool automation equipment. Automatic valves, new blower. As you can see, we're squaring out the pool and spa. There's electrical running underneath, so we can have power down there, hook up a transformer and put low voltage lighting or whatever we want. Some of the rebar is almost ready to go. It's not elevated yet, but at least it's tied together. New pool skimmer because the old one got kind of beat up over the years and also during the demolition. The pool coping will be poured in all of these forms. The deck will not be built anytime soon, maybe a month or two from now. There's more electrical going there. This is where the deck will go over the old concrete. As you can see, all of the planters are gone. All of those steps are gone. So we made a lot more space. The spa steps are also mostly gone. We haven't built the new spa steps yet, but that will happen soon. They will be much smaller than the old ones, so we don't use up space unnecessarily. This is where the barbecue used to be, and huge planters, and the mango tree. We extended out the backyard an extra foot over here because we could. Not hard to do. Why not? This is where the outdoor kitchen will be. Got some electrical ready to go over the countertop. That's not a drain there. That's just someone just stored a loose piece of drain pipe right here. This is a drain. This is not. This is 2.5 feet higher than it used to be. All of this fill was taken from the other part of the yard, which we demolished and put here. We did not even bring in any dirt, which is amazing. Just moved it around. The pergola will be in these footings. That's for the concrete footings. We moved the drains over to the side, to the edge of the yard, as you can see. And then here's the dirt area for the dogs. There will be a concrete path in the middle. And as you can see, there's also steps coming from the breakfast nook. There's a pathway coming from the breakfast nook. This one will only be 4 feet wide. The other one is 5 feet. And there's a lot of junk in the way, but you can kind of see where the deck will be. And then there's a landing right here. And then stairs. Instead of bringing the stairs this way, which would take up space, we're going to bring the stairs that way so the dogs can go where they go and not in the backyard, the nice area of the backyard. So you'll be able to walk on this concrete path on the side of the house. Of course, I will put landscape lighting. And then a new path here in the front yard, all the way to the street. That's it.